Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, in this video, we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp profile info connecting problem. For this, open the settings app on your device, scroll down, and click on the apps option. Click on WhatsApp, click on storage and cache, click on clear cache. Now, go back to the home page, open the Play Store app. Now, at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for WhatsApp and update it. Now go back to the home page and put your mobile phone on airplane mode for a few seconds and turn it off. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell